that girl? Is that you? Is that you? Is that you in the mirror? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? He's trying to get the camera. Donna Marie, get your toys. Get your toys. Watch your head. You can't go that way, silly. You can't go that way. You can't. Come here. You know you want the camera. You know you want it. Hey, hey, where are you going? Where do you think you're going? Huh? No, you cannot eat that. You cannot eat that. You silly girl, you. You pet the kitty?
Don't rip her ear off.
I know.
She won't appreciate that.
You definitely won't appreciate you ripping her ear off.
You shouldn't be standing on Donna's blanket.
Hi, Jean. Good girl. You gonna grab her fat, Donna? Good girl, Jean. Good girl, kitty.
Hi. Hi, kitty. All my girls.
Yeah.
So nice to come home to all my girls.
Oh.
It's not very nice.
You gotta be gentle to Jean.
Don't grab her butt. Her butt's nasty.
Don't grab her butt, Donna Marie.
Hey. Yeah. Yeah, look at that smile. You like playing the cat, huh? Yeah. That's my girl.